Hey guys, how to copy the YouTube video link on your phone. It's very easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's get started. In your YouTube application, choose any video to share, for example this video, and next under the video we see share button. Click this button and we can copy the link, we can share directly in Messenger. It's very good. For example, copy link have been copied and we can paste it in any messenger. And the next way to copy link, return to main screen, and here we see list of videos, and near the video we see three little dots. Tap three dots and here we also have share button. Click share and we can share this video, copy link, then go to WhatsApp Messenger, choose the contact and paste this link. Hold your finger on the message and in pop-up menu choose paste. It's our link, send it. We just have shared a link to a video. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a good day, good luck and see you soon.